Hello, this is Bonnie Cohane, and I'm really super excited. I found out that I am Spellbinders Creative Kickoff giveaway. I won this prize, and it was basically from Spellbinders Insiders Facebook group, and I just received my package today. It's too big to put underneath my camera right here, so I'm going to pull it out and show you what I got. So super excited. You can see from the photo what is going to be in that package. So I'm going to go ahead and start pulling some of that out so you can see. And the first thing on top is the brand new Platinum Scout. Let me pull my camera up a little bit. I can go up a little bit higher. And I'm so excited. I already have the Platinum 6, and this will be a great addition. It's well, let's go ahead and just open it up. I mean, it's fun to see the box, but let's just see what's inside. It tells you everything that's going to be in there. Obviously, it's just probably, I'm assuming, a smaller version of my Platinum 6. Yay. And here's all of our instructions, register, all that kind of stuff. Ooh, and I even get, look at that. You even get, oh, I love this. It's an embossing folder. Let's see if there's an easy, yep, there's an easy way. And then I got all the plates, super duper. I was thinking it was going to be a little bit smaller. Not, you know, I like that it's this long. That's really great. And this is such a cute little set. That's really nice. And I really like this too. So yay, look at this. Awesome. Awesome, all those plates. All right. And this is just, I know how to put the handle on eventually. Let's see. Aw, this is so cute. Cute, cute, cute. And there we go. Take that out of the plastic. I'll be able to use this right away as soon as I get that all together. Yay. Oh, I guess the handle's already on. So that's usually to tighten things down and putting that. So this must be in addition. Awesome. So if you've seen a Platinum 6, this is just like the baby version. It's so cute. Yay. So that is absolutely fabulous. I'm so excited to have that. Thank you very much, Spellbinders. Let's see what else we have in the box. Ooh. And woo-hoo-hoo. Can't wait to get this open and see what's inside. This is what I thought as soon as I saw the box. Just seeing it in the pictures, I thought I'm going to create something with this box. Just because I think it's really cool. I'm not sure what I'm going to create with it, but I'm going to create something with it because whoever designed this is fabulous. I really, really love the box. Okay, so we're going to have to get this opened with some scissors. Go ahead. I don't want to wreck up my box. Okay, I'm excited. Aw. Oh, look, I even got a little bit of a piece of glitter. I'll probably even use a sticker. I am so much of a recycler that I will save all of this. I want to be careful. Let me go around this a minute so I don't ruin the sticker. Okay. A little piece of glitter. Okay. It's kind of like a party thing when you have a little piece of glitter. I'm sure it just came out of the package, but that's what it's so much electricity happens. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is just to show me if I want to have tutorials on how to use this. It tells me where to go. And then I've got some examples. I've seen some of these already on the site, so I'm excited to see this too. All right. So here's the first package that's up on top. We'll go ahead and do it that way. I'll move that out of the way. All right. I am just going to go ahead and open everything up so we can see all these goodies. Probably make a mess, but that's okay. So I just want you to see there's a little bit of gold. That's really pretty. Okay, so we have several of those. So they're going to be all different designs. I really love the colors. And then we have the gold. So technically, if you really want to, you could color those. Those are really nice too. Let's just see. We have, oh, so many to pick from. And you can see the different sizes. This is great. This is fabulous. Wow. Okay. Oh, even cute little tiny ones. Look at that. Ah, I can see how you could use that on a door. Oh, this will be fun. Fun, fun, fun. So you can see that that is really cool. And there's foliage. Oh my goodness, there's so much. I can't stop. But you can see, isn't that pretty with the gold? There's a little bit, there's not gold on this one, but there's some that have gold and some that don't, like the mistletoe. That's pretty. All right. That is really, really cool. Let's open up the next package. I don't want to lose any of that, so I'm going to set that aside. All right, here's our next package. Woo. All right, go ahead and open that up. It's going to take a little while because there's so much cool stuff. Goodness sakes. Oh, wow. Wow. Sticking right there. I got to get that off so I don't lose it. This is so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's Santa. There's a cute Santa. We can get a little closer. Look at that. We have a Christmas pug, or pudding pug, I think that's how you call it. And there's sentiments, all kinds of sentiments. Oh my. Oh my. Tags, we got tags. I'll be sorting all this stuff out. Lots of cool tags. Look at this. Oh, and this was actually inside of it, so I can take this one apart. Oh, and I love these cute little houses. And again, there's gold on them. Oh, and this is great. Like the little candle or lanterns. We got more sentiments. Oh, here's that little door. That will be perfect for that. Remember, I just showed you that piece. Where was that? Yeah, the wreath in the other package. That'd be cute. Cute. So many. Ooh. And little bows on a train. This is so great. It's going to take, I'm sorry, but it's going to take me forever. This is so cool. This is just like the best kit ever. Wow. All right, let's see if I cannot lose any of this on the floor. Try to move that. We'll open it. There's more packages. Okay. I'll just move this up to the side. Fun to look at that anyway. All right. Here's the next package. This won't be the same thing. I don't think I really need to take this one out. You can just see they're like chipboard, like little chipboards. Look at what you get. And everything coordinates so beautifully. All right. Oh, and we have a stamp set. I love to color. This will be great. I love that. You can see all the different handmade with love. La 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 la. Let's deck the halls with love and laughter. Wishing you a season that's merry and bright, with lots of love for Christmas and for always. We wish you a merry, warmest wishes, peace, and love, joy. Season's greetings. Did I say this one? We wish you a Merry Christmas and Merry Christmas. Perfect. Perfect for all of this. And then there's also some, these are really pretty. They're not really, they're kind of like, they're not, well, you can see the color. It's not really, I want to say it's like a pinky. It's like the color, you know, in the pink and a little bit, but it's got a little bit of a goldy cast to it. It's really pretty. It's a pretty, pretty color. All right. And these must be stickers. Yep. And look at all that. So there's two, I think there's just 2 sheets in there. It feels like 2 sheets. But just so that you know, I'll show you. It feels like 2 sheets. I should have done that with the other one, but I was pretty sure just 2 sheets. Oh, I'm wrong. Nope, there was just a board in between. So there's 2 sheets. And like I said, everything coordinates great. And then I really like this. That is really, I mean, I don't know if you can see it's chipboard again, but it's got a little bit of a gloss to it. That is going to be really nice to work with. Love that. Oh, and here's our little culprit that had the little sequin. I had the little tease of a sequin when I opened. Those are pretty. I love that color. It's like, we can see it's like it is iridescent, and it's like a little bit of an aqua. So pretty. So pretty. And then they even have, you get tape and foam tape. That's great. Oh, and you get, wow, let's just open that up. Get a pad of paper, and it's called Handmade Holidays, which I think that's what the whole kit is called. Handmade Holidays, correct. And this one has it's 6 by 6, and it's got 40 sheets, 20 designs. It includes 4 or 6 foiled sheets. It's really, really nice. Let's go ahead and take some, ooh, I like this one just straight away. That one's so pretty. Okay, it's not double-sided, which is great. Then we have foliage. Have a beautiful green with a little bit of a design. Here, let's do this. Yeah, you can see it that better that way. And then we have some wreaths. Those are really little wreaths. And then this actually coordinates with everything. Those are the same beautiful roses. And then, oh great, I love always having a little bit of font. And some beautiful stripe, distressed stripe. Oh, look at the cute little tags. That's really pretty. Oh, and then we get the whole floral. I love that. That's so pretty. And then we have that color I was talking about. Just a minute. Here we go. We have the little, oh, I don't remember what you call these, but you can see what they are. Stamps, kind of like when you travel. Postage. I don't know if they call postage, but not really postage. And then here's that same pink I was telling you about. Just to show you that's the same type of pink. And then we have that for the background and more roses. Let's see what else. And a different green design. And then we have, oh, this one has the gold on it. I don't know if you can see the gold. There you go. And that's candy canes. Then we have some plaid. And some beautiful green. Again, that would go really good with that. Oh, and then we have the same roses, but now we have the gold outline. And then we have some with, it looks like it's this, it does have a little bit of gold to that too. That's really pretty. And then we have trees. Let me show you those close up. And then we have some gold stars with lines behind. I don't know if you can see the lines. There you can. Yeah, and then we're back to the beginning. So that's where the Santa started. Wonderful, wonderful. Let's see what else we have. So it's also been, I have cards and envelopes to make, or card bases, and then larger card bases. And actually, if you look, it's really nice. It is a textured, it's kind of like a linen. I don't know if that's what it's called, but both of them are the same. 2 different sizes. I'll go ahead and tell you what the size. This looks like 5 by 7 and not, but I think it's helpful to know. I'm sure it's on the package what it is, but let's go ahead and measure. 7 by 5, I'm sure. Yep. And this one is 5.5. It's probably by 4.5. Oh, 4.25. Yep. So now you know you get, and there's several in there. You can see how many. All right. One last thing. And then we get all of this beautiful, it's a paper pack, 8.5 by 11, there's 18. And we have our variety in there. And again, I always look at even labels that you can even use those, but there you go. But this is wonderful. Oh, even got this is mirror paper or metallic. I'm not sure, depending on where you live, what you call it. And let's go ahead and take a look. So it doesn't say on here what is the GSM, but just to tell you, it's a nice card. thickness. That's the red. And then we have kind of like a burgundy. And again, all these colors coordinate and they match everything, which is perfect, which is what you usually do when you have card kits, but this is really, really nice. And so then we go with, this is more like a hunter green, Christmas pine green. And then here's that mint color, whoops, that mint color again. Beautiful. And then we have a cream. Let's see how many got several creams. And then there's a black. And let's see, I think this is, yeah, this is kind of, it's not really craft, but it's light craft. It's got more of a gold color to it than a craft color. It looks like craft in the video, but it's got more of a yellowy cast. And then we have a different, this is a different pink. Where's our other pink? I just want to show you the difference. Or maybe I didn't get to the pink yet. Nope, I didn't. So that's the pink. And then there's that one that's a little bit, again, like I told you, more like the gems color. You can see that. And then we have kind of like, so we've got two of those. And then we have kind of like, it's like a, it looks cream in the video, but it really has a yellow cast. And then, oh, I don't want to see me or my camera, but we have a gold, two golds. This is double-sided. That is really cool. It's double-sided. Okay. I've never seen it. I don't think I've ever seen double-sided. That's great. Okay. That's what we have in our package. And I want to say thank you. This is going to be, whoops, I'm going to lose some of my stuff on the floor. But this is going to be so much fun. I can't wait. Again, I want to say thank you. And thanks for stopping by just to see all the goodies that I got. Thanks.